Right, Mad Dog Mountain Arts, lawn care, lilies. I got these really cool lilies. You guys got to see. Look at the seeds. Seeds. There's some pretty cool seeds. I like how they kind of like, I don't know, kind of look like little cedar tree rounds, right? The bomb. I'll have to show you later this year. These are, I don't know what these guys are called, but they got a big yellow flower. A very pretty big yellow flower, I guess. They do like yellow. So anyways, here's half the job. I like how I do that. So anyways, this is an old willow tree that I cut out of here. I guess in retrospect, I should have kept it because this used to be a pond. Willow tree pond, English medieval scenery, willow tree pond. But then, I don't know. Anyways, shit happens. So instead, if you have like an old stump in your yard, you know what else you could do is you could like plant some flowers around it. So I just wanted to say lily care. It's really easy. Just snip these pieces off. I have a really old, don't mind my equipment. I do not take care of my shit. I just kind of leave it laying all over the place. Don't do that. Always put your stuff away. Like have like a hanger spot or something. It's the best thing to do. But anyway, so cut these as close as you can. Cut all the dead off. Try not to like peel them down so that you're stripping the new growth, because it's not ready yet. It's kind of like peeling off your skin when it's not ready yet, and you know you get that like extra little red layer. Gross. And it hurts. Yeah. So, and then I'm gonna burn all these because they're dry. Oh, they're kind of like half wet, half dry. Anyways, what else? And it's like April 27th, so if you're in Bella Coola, somebody had a grass fire yesterday around Risky Creek or whatever, so this might be one of the last days that I'm burning. We're getting close to the end here, and usually, I think like May 1st, they do burn ban or something. So if you had some burning, there's your warning, right? The neighbors always get really sketch, and it's windy today. I probably shouldn't even burn, but small fire. So anyways, that's lily care. Try not to squish them. I used to just like come in here with my rake, right? I'm just like, you can see that I was already here, but you know, age and growth and patience and all that shit. Now I'm just tired. And we're gonna try to finish that round table today. Stick close for a short of that. And my Roma tree, it is alive. It is alive. I didn't kill it with the neem oil. I didn't catch any bugs though. And honest, actually, this tape isn't even fucking sticky anymore. Should have checked that over, but now I did check that. So maybe I will retape that. Maybe that's why. Although I don't see any bugs on it. Do you see any bugs on it? It still stinks though. It still stinks like neem oil. Anyways, my partner Martin. Thanks for watching another episode of Gardening with Mad Dog Mountain Arts. Clean your lilies.